Are you looking for some delicious raw vegan entrees? Well, I have here one of my very favorites. This is cauliflower tabbouleh. I just love it, and it is surrounded by sunflower greens. And then I am going to add it to lettuce boats to make a delicious raw vegan meal. Come along with me and I will take you on my raw food preparation of delicious cauliflower tabbouleh. First, I have a beautiful cauliflower that I have first washed and also cut out just a couple of little parts that don't look so great. But this cauliflower looks wonderful, healthy, and fresh. Next, I'm cutting up all my cauliflower florets. And I want them in bite-sized pieces because here I'm doing something different than I did in my earlier cauliflower tabbouleh recipe in 2016. I am going to dehydrate them for 2 hours. And that makes a really wonderful taste and crunch. Next step, I pop those beautiful florets into my Excalibur dehydrator to dehydrate for 2 hours. Just enough time to get them a little bit more crispy, and it just brings out this wonderful taste. We're going to turn on the dehydrator. We're going to put the temperature on up to about between 115 and 118. 118 is the borderline for cooked and raw. I like to keep it at about 115 for 2 hours. Next, I take the cauliflower off of the dehydrator sheet and I put it in the food processor. So it's ready to go to be ground up into a very soft cauliflower rice. I'm going to pulse it so that it doesn't get too ground up like cauliflower mashed potatoes. So I'm going to watch it carefully. I spoon the cauliflower rice into a nice big bowl, which leaves me plenty of room to add my tabbouleh sauce. Next, I'm going to make the delicious sauce for the tabbouleh with 1 small avocado, or less if you would like, 1 small chopped heirloom tomato, the juice of 1 large lemon, 1 green onion or scallion, and I usually use parsley, which is common in tabbouleh, but dill also works, and I love fresh dill. So I'm going to chop that whole thing into my cauliflower tabbouleh sauce to be mixed with the cauliflower rice. I coarsely chop all of my ingredients right into the food processor. And so we're ready to go. Use the citrus juicer to juice out the lemon into the food processor. So everything is there, ready to pulse. And again, I am going to pulse. I'm going to watch it because I don't want it to turn into liquid. I still want it to be chunky. This is the perfect sauce. If you'd like, you can add some spices like paprika which I've occasionally done, but honestly, parsley or dill just gives you such a great taste. You don't even really need anything else. And here we have that luscious sauce on top of the cauliflower rice. And now I'm going to mix it in all together to meld all of those wonderful flavors. There is my yummy raw food entree, cauliflower tabbouleh. And on the side, I have some really tasty looking green leaf lettuce boats. And I am going to pile my tabbouleh with the spoon along the length of the lettuce leaf to top it with sunflower greens, which are just so nutritious. Sprouting and eating microgreens are the best way to get some really powerful nutrition in. So I'm going to also layer my boat with the sunflower greens. There they are, my delicious tabbouleh boats. This is just such a scrumptious meal. You are absolutely going to love it. And here are my scrumptious cauliflower tabbouleh boats. And I can also take some extra sunflower greens for more nutritional benefit. What a wonderful meal. Get the cauliflower tabbouleh recipe in my book, Raw Vegan Recipe Fun for Families, with 115 recipes, or get it in my new book, along with co-author Feather Smith, Raw Authentic, Raw Food Delights to Energize Your Life, both on Amazon and superhealthychildren.com. Subscribe here at Feel Fabulous with Food.